This summer, as you head to the beach, Radiolab is thinking about what's in the water with you.
I look down, and there was this great big head, these big white teeth.
50 years after Jaws scared an entire generation out of the water, Radiolab is pulling you back in. We're gonna drop down into the water.
He's coming towards you, bait.
To show you the shark in a way you've never seen it before.
Anything you dig down on is fascinating in these creatures.
We found stories about ancient sharks,
These are like swimming fossils.
baby sharks,
Are they cloning themselves?
I think so, yeah.
sharks that can fly,
Yeah, sharks are crazy.
scientists who dedicated their lives to studying sharks. And we're even going swimming with them.
Feeling really nervous and regretting all of it.
All because we wondered, if we stare at sharks a little deeper, would that monster change and morph into something more beautiful?
You know, they fly like aeroplanes, or aeroplanes fly like great white sharks. They have to dip a wing to turn.
We've got 5 episodes for you, a week of sharks.
Okay, guys, can you report back?
We did. We saw a white shark.